Speedometer Repair Guy has refurbished climate control units in stock for 2003 to 2010 Mercury Grand Marquis. We also offer repair service to your existing unit. Please check the video description for vehicle compatibility. If you send in your climate control unit for repair, we only need it for 1 day, then we will get it back on its way to you the very next day, complete with a lifetime warranty. Or if you are in need of a refurbished unit, for $225 we'll ship one out to you right away. In-stock units also come with the same lifetime warranty. Once you receive and install the refurbished unit, send back your defective unit and we'll issue your core refund of $100. If your climate control display is not working, this is the repair for you. Other issues may include airflow not matching your selection, intermittent functions, fan does not work correctly, air temperature is stuck to hot or cold, or you notice a burning smell coming from the control unit. If you are not sure if this repair is right for you, give us a call at 507-429-4489.